NextWave DV's coverage of NAB 2011 is made possible by LCD Viewfinder, the essential accessory for DSLR video, CPM Film Tools, your lightweight solution for caging the beast, Manhattan LCD, the affordable solution for high-definition monitoring, B&H, the professional source for photo, video, and pro audio.
Tony here from NextWave DV, and we're at the Panasonic booth with Steve Cooperman, and you guys have some brand new cameras that you're going to tell us about.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited. We just introduced our new AG-HPX250. This is our first handheld P2 camera. You know, up to now we've shipped the HPX170. We introduced the HPX200 over 5 years ago. Awesome handheld camera, HD SD, DV Pro HD camera with great quality. And then we sold tens and tens of thousands of units that people are still using. So a great camera. But in the last couple of years, you know, we get customers that want, they want full resolution, full 10-bit AVC Intra. And that's really grown within our shoulder mount camera line. So now we've brought full res AVC Intra down to a handheld camera. So the HPX250 will ship in the fall, about 5.5 pounds, under 6,500. So it gives you everything that you need, international HD, flavors and frame rates, your 1080s, your 720s, your standard def, all of our Panasonic Kodaks, AVC Intra 100 and 50, and all the DVC Pro flavors. So that's pretty nice. Adds HD output if you need that, adds HDMI, because you know we see more of those type monitors out there. And also adds sync and sync input and time code to use in a multicam configuration. So it's a really nice camera for all sorts of applications, or as a second camera even to our P2 Vari cams. And one really nice feature, it's a brand new lens. We have a 21x, you know, really nice wide lens. So it's pretty exciting. So we think our customers are really going to like that, and we'll be shipping in the fall. And actually, we just announced our new P2 3D camera, the new AG-3DP1. So this is pretty exciting. As you might have heard, last year we introduced an integrated twin lens camera, first of its kind, and great camera, the 3D-A1, great camera, and it took care of a lot of those pretty technical controls that you know, take time in a 3D rig. It gives you the ability to just shoot and not worry about that and just adjust the convergence. So taking that same logic, we've done that now with our 3D-P1 camera, but because it's P2, we're able to record full resolution, 10-bit, 1920 by 1080 AVC Intra. So that's really nice. Get all the simplicity of what we've already introduced in the market, but with full res P2. And because it's P2 and AVC Intra, all of the leading NLEs are supporting AVC Intra, Final Cuts and Avids and Adobe Premieres and whatnot. So day one, we expect you're going to have a 3D ready-to-go workflow, and it's got a longer zoom lens, a 17x lens, a few new features. So we're pretty excited. I think it's going to open up 3D to even more customers than we opened up with 3D-A1s. You know, more independent productions, commercials, movies, plus corporate events. You know, training. That's going to be a big thing, and more so as a second camera. I think you're going to see these, both the 3D-P1 and the 3D-A1, as a second camera on larger productions. You know, second camera on movies and major sports events that maybe will even have a rig still, but you're going to have 3D-P1s and 3D-A1s as the roving cameras. So a lot of new markets, a lot of independent markets, like I said, corporate, commercials, training, a lot of new things with this. We're pretty excited about that. We also did introduce one thing that applies to both independent shooters, 3D shooters. We just introduced the new BT-LH910. It's a new 9-inch display. Great display. $3,500. Actually, it's back there on our cameras there, but can be used as an onboard display. Can be used as, you know, individual display. Has can be used in 2D or 3D. Has 2 HD ins and loop through. So if you're using it in 3D, connect it right to a rig, or you know, even to one of our 3D cameras if you wanted to have a separate camera on the side, and still loop the HD through to go downstream. Has 3G SDI, which some customers use, and even has HDMI if you want to use it with some of your customers are mainly using our cameras in HD, but maybe have a camera with an HDMI output, can use it in that application as well. A lot of 3D assist functions to vertical and horizontal flips if they're using a rig, and being able to view the convergence and grid overlays, and lots of different features to the monitor. So that's a nice thing.
That's great to hear. You know, with all the large sensor camera talk that's been going around, it's great to see that there's still professional options for the regular shooter out there.
Yeah, we have cameras that appeal to a wide range of users for a wide range of markets, and all of our P2 cameras now support full resolution 10-bit AVC intra. So you got the best combination of workflow, but with really high quality video. So it's a good thing. And they're all supported by leading NLEs, so that's another good thing.
Sounds good to hear. Well, thanks for your time, Steve.
Thank you.
Subscribe to us on YouTube and visit nextwavedv.com for more news and training for video and filmmakers.